What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest in tech, cybersecurity, and digital trends. Today, we're diving deep into no-code OSINT tools that were leaked by hackers in 2026. These aren't your average search engines or social media trackers. These are powerful platforms that have changed the way people gather information online. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code to use them. With just a browser and a username or email address, you can uncover digital footprints, track online activity, and even map out connections between accounts. It's as simple as entering a few details and letting the tool do the heavy lifting. Imagine being able to see what information is floating around about you, or anyone else, without any technical skills. But before we jump in, a quick and important warning. Use these tools responsibly and ethically. Just because you can access information doesn't mean you should misuse it. Always respect privacy, follow the law, and remember that with great power comes great responsibility. First up, let's talk about TraceEye, an innovative tool that's quickly become a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and digital investigators alike. TraceEye stands out as one of the most intuitive and user-friendly tools to emerge from the 2026 leaks, revolutionizing the way we approach online investigations. With TraceEye, all you need to do is enter a username, email address, or phone number. In just seconds, the platform scours the web and instantly maps out a comprehensive digital footprint, uncovering old social media posts, public profiles, and even those forgotten accounts you might not remember creating years ago. The interface is sleek and modern, designed to visualize connections and online activity over time. You can see how different accounts are linked, track changes in digital behavior, and even spot patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. TraceEye's powerful algorithms link accounts across multiple platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more, telling a detailed story of someone's online presence with just a few clicks. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips. There's no need for coding skills or technical expertise. The process is straightforward. Just click, explore, and uncover connections. TraceEye makes advanced open-source intelligence accessible to everyone, from seasoned professionals to curious beginners. But remember, while TraceEye is incredibly powerful and accessible, it's important to use it responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility. Always consider the ethical implications of your searches. Use TraceEye ethically, respect privacy boundaries, and ensure your investigations serve a legitimate purpose. The digital world is vast, and with tools like TraceEye, we must always act with integrity and respect for others' privacy. Next is SocialMap, a game-changer for visualizing social networks. Type in a handle, and SocialMap builds an interactive web of connections, showing who interacts with whom and what content links them. You can click nodes for more context, like interaction frequency or mutual posts. It reveals hidden relationships, shared hashtags, locations, or tagged photos. Instantly spot influencers or central figures in any network. This access is powerful, so always use it with care. Public data isn't always fair game. Respect boundaries. PhoneFinder has quickly become a hot topic in the world of digital privacy and cybersecurity, raising eyebrows for its remarkable ability to pinpoint the location of almost any device. What sets it apart is that it doesn't require any coding skills or technical expertise. Instead, it leverages open sources and even taps into leaked databases to track down devices with surprising accuracy. This tool has made waves among both security professionals and everyday users, as it brings powerful tracking capabilities to anyone with an internet connection. All you need to do is enter a phone number into the search bar, and PhoneFinder gets to work. It scours a vast array of public data, including breach dumps, Wi-Fi logs, and even social media check-ins, to piece together a digital footprint. The result is a detailed location heat map that shows where the device has been detected, sometimes down to specific neighborhoods or venues. This process happens in seconds, making it incredibly easy for anyone to use. To ensure accuracy, PhoneFinder doesn't just rely on a single data point. It cross-references multiple sources, such as matching delivery records with venue check-ins, and even compares timestamps from different databases. This multi-layered approach helps filter out false positives and provides a more reliable picture of a device's movements. Analysts can see how different pieces of information connect, revealing patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. One of the standout features is the interactive timeline. This tool maps out device sightings over days, weeks, or even months, allowing users to visualize movement patterns and routines. By sliding through the timeline, you can see how a device's location changes, which can be useful for everything from tracking lost phones to investigating suspicious activity. The best part? You don't need any technical skills or special training. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, with instant results delivered at the click of a button. Even those with minimal computer experience can quickly find the information they need, making advanced device tracking accessible to everyone. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The privacy implications of such a tool are enormous. If your phone number or device information is exposed in a breach, your location history could be just a few clicks away from prying eyes. It's a stark reminder to safeguard your personal data and be vigilant about where and how your information is shared. Always be mindful of what you share online, even unintentionally. A simple post or accidental screen share can reveal more than you think. In today's connected world, protecting your privacy is more important than ever. FaceHunt brings facial recognition to anyone with a photo and internet. Upload an image, and FaceHunt scans the web for matches, even from years ago or with different looks. The AI links faces across platforms, organizing results chronologically. Its similar faces function can flag alternate identities, even with changed names. This makes OSINT more accessible than ever. But facial recognition has deep ethical implications. Don't use it without consent. Always tread carefully. Email sleuth is the ultimate tool for uncovering accounts linked to an email address. Enter an email, and it finds connected social profiles, obscure accounts, and breach history. Results are shown in a dashboard, platforms, last activity, and public details. The linked accounts map visualizes how one email connects to multiple identities. No coding required. Perfect for journalists and security pros. But remember, our emails reveal more than we think. Use this info responsibly. GeoTrackr maps out location history using public posts, photos, and metadata. Enter a name or handle and see a world map of pins tied to specific posts. The timeline slider shows movement over time, spotting travel patterns and frequent locations. Clustering highlights hotspots where someone spends the most time. Great for security research, but mapping can be invasive. Location data is sensitive. Always prioritize privacy. Use with caution. DataSpider is for detail-obsessed OSINT users. Input a name, and it aggregates public records, news, court filings, and more into one dashboard. It deduplicates results and lets you filter by source or date. Set up alerts for new mentions, perfect for ongoing investigations. It's like a tireless research assistant. But aggregating public records makes info easier to misuse. Always have a clear, ethical purpose. Use DataSpider responsibly. LinkLens reveals hidden relationships between people, companies, and locations. Enter a name, company, or address, and it builds a visual network from public records and social profiles. Drill down into nodes for details, ownership, employment, or shared filings. Especially useful for uncovering shell companies or behind-the-scenes links. A digital magnifying glass for investigative work. But don't cross privacy or legal lines. ProfilePeek builds comprehensive digital profiles. No code needed. Enter a name, email, or handle, and it gathers public posts, bios, images, and related accounts. Timeline view tracks how someone's online presence evolves. Great for verifying identities or checking backgrounds. Huge time saver for recruiters and security teams. But potential for misuse is real. Always respect privacy. LeakAlert is your early warning for data leaks. Enter an email, phone, or username, and it monitors breach databases and the dark web for new leaks. Get instant notifications with details on what was exposed. The risk score helps prioritize which breaches to address. Use LeakAlert to protect yourself and others, not to exploit leaks. Stay ethical. SnapSearch is for finding deleted or hidden social media posts and images. Enter a handle or URL, and it searches archives, caches, and backups for lost content. See a timeline of deleted or private posts, and compare past and current versions. Essential for journalists verifying past statements. But just because you can recover data doesn't mean you should use it recklessly. Use SnapSearch responsibly. ShadowWatch scans the dark web for mentions of your target's info. Enter a name, email, or keyword, and get a dashboard of where and how the info appears. Threat alerts notify you if your data trends or appears in major breaches. Context shows if data is part of a scam, sale, or just listed. Set up keyword alerts to stay ahead of threats. Always keep things legal and ethical. That's 12 powerful no-code OSINT tools leaked in 2026. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, but use these tools wisely. Respect privacy. Behind every data point is a real person. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite tool. Stay safe, stay ethical, and see you next time.